Let us begin with prayers to Ma Sharda. Friends, students, are you happy, enjoying the life? This is a quote from Atharvaved. Okay, tamo mo pagaha, hatash mat ho. Okay, and never be disappointed. Okay, there is a well-known Gujarati poet Dhruv Bhatt. His poem, if you can understanding, it is in Gujarati. ઓચિંતું કોઈ મને રસ્તે મળે ને કદી ધીમેથી પૂછે કે કેમ છે તો આપણે તો કહીએ કે દરિયા સી મોજમાં ને ઉપરથી કુદરતની રહેમ છે. Okay, so there are so many messages going on in social media about some type of depression and negative effects. There is nothing like that. Okay, be constructive, use the time. This is the best time to study. Okay, so let us further discuss the topics of trigonometric inverse functions. Okay, today we will learn two theories. Okay, and then some practice problems. First of all, we have to prove that tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equals to tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Condition is xy less than 1. Actually, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y have three formulae. Out of three, we will prove two today. Okay, so first of all, this condition is given, xy is less than 1. See, this proof may be not asked in exams, but it is important as far as concepts are concerned. Okay, your concepts should be clear. Okay, because now onwards we have to apply all these things in JEE preparations. After some days we will again solve some problems from JEE. Okay, so tan inverse x, let tan inverse x equals to alpha and tan inverse y equals to beta. We know that range of tan inverse is open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So both alpha and beta belong to minus pi by 2 3, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay, now we know that tan of alpha plus beta equals to tan alpha plus tan beta upon 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. Putting values, see, if tan inverse x equals to alpha, then x equals to tan alpha, tan inverse y equals to beta, then y equals to tan beta. So tan of alpha plus beta equals to x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Here they have given that xy is less than 1. Means x and x and y both are less than 1 and greater than 0. Both must be positive. Okay, so 0 less than x less than 1, 0 less than y less than 1. Okay, now 0 can be written as tan 0, x is tan alpha, 1 is tan pi by 4. Again 0 is tan 0, y is tan beta, 1 is tan pi by 4. Now we know that tan is increasing function. Okay, so here from this we can write 0 less than alpha less than pi by 4, and from this 0 less than beta less than pi by 4. Adding both, okay, adding 0 plus 0 equals to alpha plus beta equals to pi by 4 plus pi by 4. Therefore 0 is less than alpha plus beta is less than pi by 2. Okay, now so we have proved that alpha plus beta is in range of tan inverse. So we can apply here. Okay, as alpha plus beta is in range of tan inverse, we can bring this tan in other side. So it will be alpha plus beta equals to tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Okay, but what was alpha? It was tan inverse x. What was beta? It is tan inverse y. Okay, so tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equals to tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy, where xy less than 1. Now we have to prove other result to prove this second result. Okay, that is, we have to prove tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equals to pi by 2. This we want to prove. To prove this second result. Okay, now see, for this let us consider tan inverse x equals to theta. Obviously theta is between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 open interval. Okay, So x can be written as tan theta, and we know that tan theta can be written as cot of pi by 2 minus theta. Okay. Now I want to write this at cot inverse, but for that this must be in range of cot inverse. In range of cot inverse, pi by 2 minus theta should be in range of cot inverse. I have to prove it. Okay. So let us start with this. See, minus pi by 2 less than theta less than pi by 2. See, it is open interval, so I have not written here equal to. Okay. Now just changing the sign. So minus pi by 2 will become pi by 2. This will be minus theta. This will be minus pi by 2. But this inequality will be changed. Okay. Then I am adding pi by 2 everywhere. Okay. Here I am adding pi by 2. Here also pi by 2. Here also pi by 2. So pi by 2 plus pi by 2 will become pi is greater than pi by 2 minus theta. Is greater than pi by 2 minus pi by 2, that is 0. Thus we have proved that this angle pi by 2 minus theta is between 0 to pi, means in range of cot inverse. So from equation 1, we can write cot inverse of x equals to pi by 2 minus theta. Cot inverse x equals to pi by 2 minus theta. So I can bring theta here. Therefore theta plus cot inverse x equals to pi by 2. But what was theta? It was tan inverse x. So tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equals to pi by 2. New result for you. That I have to apply here. Okay. Now see, our condition is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Okay. Where xy equals to 1. But if xy equals to 1, we can write y equals to 1 by x. Okay. So can be written as tan inverse x plus tan inverse of 1 upon x. But tan inverse of 1 upon x can be written as cot inverse x. But tan inverse x plus cot inverse x we have proved pi by 2. Thus, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, if xy equals to 1, will be pi by 2. Okay. The third formula we will derive tomorrow.